Every make money online video tells you the same thing. You've got to start freelancing, open a Shopify store, or sell stuff on Amazon. And cool, but most of these require you to be above the age of 18. PayPal, Stripe, Upwork, you need to be 18 or over to use it. Even opening a basic bank account on your own, you need to be 18 for that as well. So, what are you actually supposed to do if you're under the age of 18 and you want to start making real money? Well, that's what this video is exactly for. I'm not going to give you the recycled mow lawns, walk dogs kind of advice. I'm going to give you real skills that are in serious demand right now that you can start learning from today for absolutely free. And it's going to put you years ahead of most adults by the time you graduate. Hey, I'm Sen, I'm from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. Now, before we talk about what works, we need to be honest about what doesn't. Because too many videos are aimed at teens that just ignore reality. If you're under 18, most freelancing platforms won't let you create an account. Upwork, PromptBase, PayPal, you need to be 18 or over to use it. So right off the bat, half the advice on YouTube just won't apply to you. And nobody tells you this up front. But here's what they also don't tell you. There are actually platforms that will work if you're under 18. Fiverr, for example, lets you sign up at 13 with parental consent. Etsy is exactly the same thing as well. You can be 13 years and up to use it. And if you want to sell directly to local businesses, well, you don't really need an age gate at all. You just show up, you do the work, and you get paid. So the path isn't wait until you're 18 to start making money online. It's just knowing which doors are open and walking through them with the right skills. And that brings us to the real question. What skills are actually worth your time right now? Because honestly, this is where most advice gets it wrong. For example, I could tell you to learn graphic design or coding or video editing. And yeah, those are good options, but there's a reason I'm going to focus on AI skills for this video. Honestly, right now we're in this weird window where AI-related job demand has exploded, like 800% growth in non-tech industries since 2022 alone. And that's not just with tech companies, that's marketing firms, real estate offices, restaurants, law firms. Everyone needs people who can actually use these AI tools. People who know even 2 AI-related skills are getting offered about 48% more pay than people without them at all. And that gap won't last forever. Eventually, everyone's going to catch up with learning these AI-related skills. But right now, if you're a teenager and you spend the next 2 years just getting good at AI, you're honestly walking into the job market with a head start most 25-year-olds don't even have. And no, you don't need to be a coder. You don't need to understand machine learning. The skills that are actually paying right now are way more practical and a lot more easy to understand than that. So I'm going to walk you through the ones with real demand behind them, starting with the easiest one to pick up right now. Every business needs content: social media posts, short form videos, product photos, email newsletters. The problem is most small businesses can't afford to hire a full team to handle all of it. They're looking for someone who can use AI tools to do it a lot faster and cheaper for them. The tools are things like CapCut for video editing. It's a paid tool, so it's more of a next step once you've got clients and want to speed things up even more. But honestly, it's worth knowing it exists right now for when you need it. So this is how you start. One of the best books on copywriting is called Cash Advertising by Drew Eric Whitman. It's honestly such a must read. Now, you want to learn the principles in this book, then practice writing emails for made-up businesses using AI as your tool. The combination of copywriting knowledge plus AI speed is what makes this worth paying for. And you don't need to be 18 to start offering services, because you can be as young as 13 and start pitching yourself on Fiverr, especially after getting parental consent. Or you can literally pitch yourself directly to local businesses. You can literally pop in and say something like, hey, I noticed your email list isn't very active. Can I write you 5 emails for free and see if they work? That's honestly a good offer that would be quite difficult for them to turn down. One more thing on this. The reason AI copywriting specifically is so valuable is that results are finally measurable. For example, if your emails get more opens and more clicks than what the business was doing before, you now have hard proof showing that you are worth paying. Numbers, they don't lie. And business owners love to see numbers, especially when they go up. Okay, so content and copywriting both mean working with clients. But what if you don't want clients at all? That's where this next skill comes in. This is the build once, sell repeatedly business model, where you create something using AI tools and you sell it over and over and over again without doing any extra work every single time it sells. For example, think about digital products, things like planners, budget templates, social media template packs, or study guides, or even resume templates. Just anything that people actually need and will pay $5 to $20 for. The AI part is what makes this realistic for someone in high school. If you use Canva plus ChatGPT, it means you can design and write a professional looking planner in a literal weekend instead of a month. Canva's got a free plan that does most of what you need. And if you go pro, you get access to way more templates and design tools. You can then list your products on Etsy, and it can literally sit there earning whilst you're in class. But let me be straight with this. Most digital products on Etsy actually make very little money. The market is very competitive, and it gets even more competitive every month because AI literally makes everything easier for everyone. However, the people who do well, what they do is they find a specific niche. For example, planners for nursing students, budget trackers for teen athletes, study guides for AP classes. Specificity is what separates the products that sell from the ones that sit there with zero downloads. So go onto Etsy right now and search for digital templates in a niche you actually know something about. Look at what's selling and what the review says. This is how you can tell what people wish was better about this product. And that literal gap between what exists and what people actually want, that's literally your opportunity. So let me actually give you a real example. Say you're a high school athlete. You search Etsy for sports meal prep planners, and the top results are generic. There's no calorie targets for teens, no pre-game versus post-game meals. There's no consideration for what's going on during school lunch. You could create that specific product in a weekend using Canva and ChatGPT, and you'll be the only option for that exact need. That's how you stand out in a crowded market. Now, these first three skills are all things you can do while you're still in school. But honestly, this last skill is more of a long play, and it might actually be the most valuable one in this entire list. That's because this next skill is called prompt engineering. It might sound technical, but honestly, it's not at all. Prompt engineering is just knowing how to talk to AI tools to get the best results. AI workflow design is figuring out how to chain multiple tools together to automate a process to get the results that you want. Here's a quick example. A real estate agency needs someone to take property listings and automatically generate descriptions, social media posts, and email blasts about that specific property. Someone who can build that workflow using ChatGPT and Canva and a scheduling tool will save that business hours and hours every single week. And honestly, prompt engineering is one of the fastest growing skill sets in the job market right now. And here's why it matters for you specifically. Most adults are still figuring out how to use ChatGPT for basic stuff. So if you literally spend the next year or two learning how to build actual workflows and solve real business problems with AI, you'll walk into any job interview knowing way more than most of the other candidates. And unlike the other skills in this list, this one will compound because the better you get, the more complex problems you can solve, the more you can charge. And it's not some short-term gig. It's a literal career foundation that you can build. So you want to start by automating something in your own life first. Use AI to organize your study schedule. Build a workflow that turns class notes into flashcards automatically. Or you can automate social media posts for a club or team that you're part of. And these aren't just random exercises. They're going to be portfolio pieces. And when you eventually pitch your skills to business, you can show them exactly what you've built and how they work. Okay, so you now know what to learn, but here's the thing that stops most people. They think that you need to pay for courses or expensive certificates, but honestly, you don't need to do any of that when it comes to learning with AI. That's because Google AI Essentials on Coursera is completely free, which means you can take the whole course without paying. You only pay if you want the certificate. And it covers the basics of how AI works and how to use it practically, which is honestly a great starting point. Another great completely free option is IBM Skills. It has a student-specific track that you can follow, and it covers AI fundamentals plus professional skills like communication and project management. Harvard CSS50 AI on edx.com is another really good option, and it's completely free as well. It's a bit more technical because it involves a bit of programming with Python, but if you're interested in coding, it's another great option for you to check out. Microsoft AI Fundamentals includes the entire learning path and is completely free. And it's the same with Google AI Essentials. They're both incredible courses that you can check out literally after this video. And remember, the certificate isn't what matters here. The skills and the learning is what people are going to hire you for. So take the courses and take action and try an experiment to build up your portfolio immediately. Okay, now I want to end on something completely honest, because I could fill this video with insane success stories and make you think everyone's getting rich at 16 years old, but that's not how it works at all. For example, maybe you've heard of him already, but Daniel Bitton started creating content at 13 and eventually co-founded a content creation AI tool called Creo. Noah is another example who built a massive social media following as a teenager and turned it into full-time income. Now, those are real, but they're also outlier case studies that you see plastered all over social media. For every teen who blows up, there are thousands of thousands who put in the work and make a few $100 a month. And that's absolutely fine, because a few $100 a month at 16, honestly, if you've got the actual skills that you're building with AI, you honestly have a massive head start. So here's a more realistic scenario of what to expect. If you spend 3 months learning AI content creation and then you land 2 local clients paying you $200 to $300 each every month, that will be $400 to $600 a month while you're in high school. It's not life-changing money, but it's real consistent income, real experiences and skills that you're building, and real proof and a massive portfolio that you're going to be adding onto over the years. And by the time you turn 18 and over, you're going to have access to all these AI platforms and business connections as well. So you won't be starting life from zero. You're starting with a great track record and amazing, incredible opportunities from 18 onwards. So honestly, the teenagers who are making real money with AI right now, they didn't wake up with all these incredible AI skills. What they did is they started at your age and put in the time while everyone else was waiting around. So here's the thing, if you want to start a side hustle, being under 18 is not a disadvantage at all. It's actually a massive window for opportunity, because right now every adult is scrambling to learn AI and they wish they'd started earlier, but you have something that they don't. You have a lot more time. So pick one skill from this video and spend the next 30 days actually doing it, not just watching more videos and tutorials. You want to build something, offer it to someone, get feedback, iterate, and get better. That's how you stop going from broke. I've linked all the tools and free courses I mentioned in the description below so you can get started right away. And if you use any of our links, we do get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It helps us keep creating free videos like this one, so thanks a lot in advance. Hit that like button for more genuine side hustle breakdowns, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and check out this video.